This is Hammer Blade V, and today I will show you all that there is to know about taking and managing screenshots on desktop. So I will start by showing you all available screenshot taking methods. So first, simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Then you can also take a screenshot by going into a control panel, then launching the super screenshot shortcut, and here you can, make a funny screenshot, whatever that means. Probably means that you can either, they simply call funny screenshot a regular partial screenshot, so you can like circle whatever area you would like to capture, and as you can see, it will be taken. Then you can also go into your device's settings. Here, look for the gestures or special function, and switch on the 3-finger screenshot. And now you can use the following gesture to capture a screenshot, as you can see. Then you can also go into the side key or easy key category of settings and assign the screenshot to single click, double click, long press, all of them. That is entirely up to you. Simply select the screenshot here, and now when you will press this button, the screenshot will be made. Now, in order to take a scrolling or long screenshot, you gotta take a regular one, doesn't matter which method you'll use, the side key, gesture, volume and power buttons. That I'll go with this gesture, for example, then tap at this icon at the top and select or crop the length of the screenshot you would like to get. Then save it, and here is the long screenshot for you. Now, as you could have already noticed, once you take a screenshot, this little miniature or shortcut appears, which allows you to start editing your screenshot, or you can also share it right away by tapping at the share button. In order to find all the screenshots you have made, simply open your preferred gallery app, go into albums or folders, and as you can see, all your screenshots are being automatically saved into their separate screenshots folder. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.